Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. What I have here is the fourth master lock that my wife gave me over the weekend. She got me a lot of 6 locks, 4 of which were masters. 2 were master number 1s. The other one was a master number 4. This one is a master lock number 3. It's only got 4 rivets. Hardened steel shackle, a little bit of rust. And right there it says patented, tough under fire. So still has a nice shackle pop. Closes kind of hard, but it still functions. Here's the bitting. Not too bad. Somewhat rounded. A little bit of oil coming out. I'm going to wipe my hands a little bit. It's kind of springy. I tried to pick it freehand, but it's a little tough for me to do it freehand, so I'm gonna vise this one. I actually already picked it, but I'm sort of developing a reputation in the locksport community as a lock whisperer, because the locks just seem to open up for me sometimes, and even I surprise myself. So earlier I opened this up, but then I wanted to prove that it wasn't a fluke, and I did it again, but I didn't raise the camera, so it wasn't captured. So here I am going to do it again, just to prove that I could do it. I used the Jimmy Long's 19,000 short flat hook, and I'm going to try to pick this again, just because the last video didn't work out. There it is. All right. Relatively easy, but master locks have a reputation for being kind of easy. That actually was relatively easy. Well within my skill set. So there it is. The number 4 of the 4 master locks I got from my wife. This one's a number 3. 4 riveted. Patented master, tough under fire. There you go. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day, and thank you.